I called her and dropped the bomb, and it's been amazing ever since.
All of a sudden, I get a phone call from this lady asking me if I had belonged to Ancestry. And I told her yes. And she said, did you have your DNA tested? And I'm like, yes. Why? And she said, so did I. I'm like, that's great. Did you find anything, you know? She says, well, it came back that I am your full blood biological sister. I'm like, get out of here. Stop. No way.
Yeah.
And the floodgates opened. Like, there was like, I can't explain it, this instant connection where you could feel. I got it now. Helen, you go.
I got in touch with Ancestry because I wanted to make sure I was not making a mistake. And not only is she my half sister, she's my full sister, close enough that we could have been fraternal twins, except for the fact that we're 18 months apart. I can't tell her enough times in a day, I love you. And it's so heartfelt. It's like I'm making up for, 58, now 59 years.
Just get there and make up for the time that we can't. We even go walk the dog together. We do everything together. It's the most amazing feeling on this planet.
It truly is. I mean, we are so grateful.
You can't explain it because there's nothing to compare it to.
But, if not for Ancestry,
we would never.
No, we would never know that we were sisters. Never. I mean, that's the greatest gift that you can get.